Hey folks, and welcome back to part four of how to make money online. Hopefully, you're getting some value out of this, and follow me to be sure to be able to view all the how-tos that will come after this. But jumping back into today, what I want to talk to you about is your customer avatar. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's often called your dream customer or your target customer. In other words, it's the person that you want to do business with based on your product offering, your solution to their problems, and each avatar needs to be aligned to a specific solution. So if you're an individual who's in the online space and is promoting 7 products and they're all different, you probably need 7 different customer avatars. Now, why do we need this? It's simple. If you want to be able to get people's attention, this space is very noisy, it's overloaded, and a lot of people are doing exactly the same. They're just throwing stuff out there and hoping that someone resonates with it. This is not a good marketing tactic unless you're a very big organization that has millions of dollars a year to be able to just take the chance on that type of advertising. But for normal people like you and me, we really need to hone in and be conscious of who our ideal customer is so that we can resonate with them more closely. We're talking their language and they're much more open to receiving our message about what solution we have for their problem. So what does this involve? Well, it involves concepts such as demographics and psychographics. So if you don't know what those are, go onto Google, search them up. But basically, demographics is about where a person is, their age, their ethnicity, their religious beliefs, generally their beliefs, what their, how they're placed, what amount of money they have as disposable income, etc. Psychographics is more about people's beliefs and what they're into, what they're interested in, what they hold as dear to them. It's quite deep, but it's easy to understand once you grasp the concept. Without defining an avatar, you're going to find it very, very difficult, and you're likely going to give up because you're just not reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. Hope that helps, and follow me and stay with me for the remaining how-tos in this series.